I'm the second person to take my dumplings into the judges' room. The one that I'm most concerned about is definitely the Chiu dumpling. It doesn't really look like what we were shown by Matt before the challenge.
Sam, how did you find the experience?
Yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed it, George. Really fidgety work. It's not something that I'm familiar with. But yeah, I enjoyed it. I'd do it again.
Thanks, Sam. We'll get into tasting.
OK, enjoy. Thank you.
I'd love to win this prize today. I love dumplings. I love dim sum. I'd love to show that I actually know how to cook them. After my rice paper roll disaster, this would be a great way to redeem myself.
佢個皮同埋佢嘅餡咧好平均，個配合好好，個外形都好靚。但係咧就差在咧個叉燒包咧唔係雪白嘅，個叉燒包好污糟，睇落去個外形。
Look, I would have been happy to eat all of Sam's. I think the pork bun, particularly the dough, is very good in comparison to Chris's, so I'd be happy with those.
Well, look, I think overall Sam's done a pretty good job. I think we all agree that the fillings are nice and juicy. A couple of issues in execution, but overall a commendable effort. Let's just hope that our next tasting is as good.
Julie, you finished just in time with about 8 seconds to go.
Yes.
How did you find it?
I loved it. I've loved the whole day. And, yeah, I did 5 of everything just so I could pick the best ones, so that's probably why I pushed it right to the end.
Stretched your timing out.
Yes, I did.
OK, Julie. Well, thanks very much, and we'll taste your dim sum.
OK, thank you.
I'm nervous to hear what the head chef thinks of our dim sum. I don't aspire to impress him, I just hope not to disgust him.
好似個粉果咁樣，佢根本就唔係包粉果，係一塊皮，係入邊冇餡嘅。
Not a lot of sauce in there, is there? Not a lot of sauce or filling. It's quite dry.
There's no peanuts, no nothing.
Yeah. That's a shame, isn't it? Yeah.
And I have all your peanuts, George. All your peanuts are just in here.
Oh, you had all my peanuts.
This is like peanut butter inside a jellyfish.
I am happy because I've never done dim sum before, and I'm a little white boy from Australia, and being in this Eastern kitchen has been a great experience, but I would have liked more time to take my time and respect this ancient art a little bit more.
So, a bit like Marco Polo. Have you worked with these flavours before?
No, I haven't, and it was such an enjoyment to be in the kitchen today, to see how they operate, so it was a beautiful experience all in all.
Andre, thank you.
Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you.
Wow, awful lot of pastry on that one. You see, this has got that pleating much better. Yeah, my one. Yours is a bit clumsy, yeah?
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
我哋講下個粉果，個粉果咧係咁多個參賽者裏邊咧包得最靚嘅，因為佢將兩塊皮咁拍埋咗之後咧，變咗兩塊皮嘅厚度。但係如果係攣嘅口唔攣翻薄嗰陣時候，先再硬個花紋出嚟咧，呢個位置咧就變咗好厚。
For my dish to be judged last was really hard because my dim sums were going cold, so I felt like, oh, am I not going to taste as good as everyone else's? Hopefully they like them.
So, Justine, again, you were down to the wire. You nearly didn't make it.
Nearly.
And that was doing the dangerous dumpling at the end.
It was.
How did you go?
Look, it was extremely challenging because the dumplings are really delicate and hard to work with.
All right, Justine, thanks very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
You seem to get a lot of filling in there.
I did get a lot of filling.
That's pretty good.
Nice crimping. A lot of filling.
The flavour's quite nice, though. Nice seasoning. Sort of got some nice, interesting flavours in there. I think if there's a standout, then I think it would be the pork bun. That's quite nice for me. I mean, you got loads of filling in yours. Mine wasn't too bad. Just a nice soft dough. I think it was best of the four.
樣樣嘢都唔係好，唔算好咯，就唔係太差嚇，中規中矩。但係個粉果嗰度咧就真係做得比較曳啲啦，即係呢樣嘢。
What this is really all about is not enough consistency. And I think, you know, the flavour was not bad, it's just consistency.
Well, I think we've all decided who the winner is. I think it's fairly clear. And I think that person will be pretty excited when we tell them. So let's get them in, reveal who the winner is of our dim sum challenge.
I'm a little bit nervous walking back in to see the judges. You know, it's the first challenge in Hong Kong. It's always nerve-wracking, if it be in the MasterChef kitchen or in a hotel in Hong Kong.
Well, let's just think about this. 2 months ago, you were all individually standing in front of us in your nominated states. Today, you stand in front of us in Hong Kong. Wow, amazing. Absolutely amazing job today. I mean, let's not kid ourselves. It was a really difficult test. And wow, you guys did a really good job. You should be all very proud of yourselves. I think not only did you do yourself proud, but you did our country proud. So well done.
Thanks, George.
Chef Tsang, how did the contestants go?
其實都幾困難嘅，做一個喺唔係中國人去整一啲點心，對佢哋嚟計係一個幾困難一個工作嚟嘅。味道咧就反而咧大家都幾平均，唔係相差得太遠。但係嗰啲點心嘅外形咧，佢個賣相咧就會好參差啦。
5 very creditable performances, but there can only be one winner. Only one of you will be able to choose a fellow contestant to spend the night floating around Victoria Harbour on one of the few remaining traditional Chinese junks, the Aqua Luna. So, the winner of the Dim Sum Challenge is Sam.
Wow!
Good on you, Sam.
Cheers. Thank you. Thank you.
Sammy, it was a unanimous decision. You did a fantastic job.
Thank you.
The generosity of the filling, the juiciness of each of those dim sum was very impressive. And my goodness, how far have you come since that terrible Chinese invention test when you made those dreadful spring rolls?
Yeah, I'm really happy. It's been a great start to our experience here in Hong Kong, and I just feel very fortunate that I've been lucky enough to win this challenge.
Now, the main question is, who are you going to choose to bob around Hong Kong harbour with on the Aqua Luna junk?
I think I'll take Justine.
Yeah,
That's right.
I was very surprised that Sam chose me to go on the boat just to get out there and, you know, and share the treat is really nice of him, and hopefully we'll have some fun.
Look, I'm sure, having seen the quality of what you put out and what you've learned today, I'm sure you'd want to join with the three of us in thanking Chef Patrick and especially Chef Tsang. Ngoy, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.
Welcome.
You have service now.
Yes.
Yes? You better go.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Well, Sam, enjoy that moment of success, victory. But don't forget, we're here for a reason. We're all competitors. We're down to the final 5. And one of you will be eliminated from the competition here in Hong Kong.
I get a bit of a jolt when they say someone's going to be eliminated from Hong Kong. There's no way I want to be sent home from this, you know? No way.
Tomorrow, it all begins. The Hong Kong Challenge becomes serious, and you'll be split into 2 groups. The winner of each challenge will have the chance to cook off against this week's celebrity chef. As you know from previous experience, whoever gets to cook off against a celebrity chef has the chance to fast track straight through to the final week of MasterChef Australia. Sam and Justine, enjoy your prize. For the rest of you, go and get some rest, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you, guys.
Today, guys.
See you guys.
Day 1, what a day. We've hit the ground running, and tomorrow we face something even bigger. I've got a feeling this week is just going to be crazy.